one of the most useful and complex indicators. Today we're having a sixth lesson on Ichimoku. Hey guys, welcome to MB Cryptocurrency. My name is Nima, and in this video we're having a sixth lesson, which is based on the Komo Cloud itself. I'm gonna give you first we will go through the basics about the cloud, and also I'm gonna give you a couple of hints that how to use the cloud, what do you expect, and how we can even have a better understanding of the cloud to do our analysis, to have a better win rate and combine it with the price action. So first of all, I'm just gonna explain. So the cloud and the price itself, it has three positions. Either the price is above the cloud, like this, or either the price is inside of the cloud or the price is below the cloud. So we have either of these situation. The basics is when you understand about Ichimoku, we understand that on casually, when the price is above the cloud, there's a higher chance we're going to be the uptrend, and the uptrend is going to continue, especially when the cloud is green, and when the cloud is red, and when the price is below the cloud, we expect that the price continues to have a downtrend. And that's the basics. That's you realize by searching on YouTube to watch a couple of videos about Ichimoku. But as you know, that's not good enough. For example, you can see this price fell and there's a big cloud, still it broke it above, right? So that's not enough. So a couple of things that you have to know. That's first of all, we don't have a strategy that works 100% of the time. We have a strategy that works majority of the times with a better risk to reward ratio that gives us profit in long run. That's what you have to look forward in order to financial market. And eventually, after a couple of years of trading, you make your strategy better, or even you make a new strategy for as a result of your experience. So the couple of things, the first what I said about the cloud, this is true that when the cloud is thicker, the chance of price just easily falling down, it's less. And that's why, as you can see, and first of all, let me say that the upper line and the lower line of the cloud, they just work as a support and resistance level, which when the price is above, especially the second line, which is the bottom line, is the major support area when the price is above, and when it's below, the upper line works as a major resistance area. And how we can use this, area. First of all, when the price is falling, and especially when it's crossing the upper line from this scenario, we can expect majority of the time the price can reach the bottom of the cloud as like this and have a little bit of reaction. Maybe not going to be that much of a huge reaction. Maybe we can have a reversal, maybe not, but at least we can see somewhat a reaction for the prices also from this point till here. That was like 8%, and you have to know this is a daily time frame as well. And you can see like multiple times which it happened as well. When let me see if I can find it. I think so. It broke this bottom line upper. It had a little bit of reaction, and the price fell down. So this is the first hint that you have to consider. When it broke the first line, the second line works as a major support and resistance area. Also, I'm not sure if I mentioned it before. When the cloud is thin, that is the thing that you can expect is kind of pass it really quickly, because when the cloud is thin, that means this area is not really interested for the big money to do the trading. So it's got to either go up or just go down quickly. So that's what I think that I would say to the people: don't trade when the cloud is really thin, as it's expected to either crush you to just go up or just straight go down as well. You cannot really expect it that much. You cannot really trade it on Ichimoku. Maybe you use other indicator, or you have another strategy which you can use it in these sort of scenarios. And as you know, the cloud itself is a leading indicator, right? So you can see what's going to happen in 26 candles forward, and that's a good thing as well. You can kind of expect, oh, the cloud is small at this stage, so possibly I'm not going to use Ichimoku as my strategy in order to trade at this time. So this is one of the things that you have to consider. All right, let's go through an example how we can use the Ichimoku cloud, and also the price action to kind of use it as a combination to get more confirmation how to open a trade. For example, in this scenario, when the price is going down, it just touches this area, which is the first line as the leading. Let me see what I call it. Comma cloud. I used to remember that was like a leading line something. Yeah, leading span B, leading span A. Yes. So the leading span A, when it touches this one, we can use a price action as well. See where is our first level of resistance, which if you notice when the price, let me just go replay mode. It's gotta make it better. So when this is replay mode and we are at this stage and we know the price is getting close to this area. Let's go one candle forward. So it's getting close. And if you use a price action, you know this area work as an area of support. Now it's going to work as an area for resistance. And let's see what's going to happen. And that's it. So we have a long shadow. Even if you're looking for a candle entry, you can go to like a 1 hour time frame to see what's going to happen. And when you make a trend line in a 1 hour time frame, when it broke, then you should have entered at least like around this area if you work as a 1 hour time frame as a confirmation. So you enter this position and this is going to happen. So even if you put this entry, you should have a risk reward 1 to 3. So this is basically how you can use this strategy. And you have to understand, you have to do multiple backtests in multiple time frame of each pairs to make sure that which one is the most you get the most high win rates, because each pairs are really different and you have to take this into consideration as well. I hope that this video gives you a lot of insight how to use a cloud. If you have any question, write down in the comment section. As always, I appreciate guys if you like and subscribe and press the bell notification and tell your friends about this channel, as it gives us a lot of energy to provide more quality contents. Thank you.